Hey guys, actually have to tell you I'm an old school tattoo artist. I believe in bold lines, high contrast and a solid tattoo, and that's the way how I build my tattoos up. I'm tattooing now for 13 years. I soldered my own needles, I built up my own coil machines, but by the time I found out it's too much I spent in building up my machines, preparing everything, and that's the time when I thought about how can I change my working into a faster and more constructive work. So that's why I decided what could be my next steps. And that's why I started to think about rotaries. And when I found out the Cheyenne system, it was like the first time when I felt like coming home. Everything was like, wow. It was running always on the same voltage. It was no problem to adjust. Because at one point I thought like, oh yeah, cool, on coil machines you can adjust so much. But in the end I just thought about like, why the fuck? I just want to work and I don't need adjustment. I just want one machine which runs all the time, same point, and everything is fine. One of the most amazing things about the Cheyenne system is that I have this Cheyenne safety cartridges. I have a solution of changing super fast the needles with always the same machine. I'm always thinking about hygiene in tattooing. This was actually a really big problem for me because I had my coil machines and there's so much technique on it, so I always had the problem, how can I clean it really safe? And by using the Solnova, I just had like a super simple form. It's just a simple, easy to clean machine, only one machine, not 5. And because of the D-grip, you can easy use. It's just about seconds. You have the D-grip, which is like the perfect safety between your machine and being contaminated by the needle. Sorry guys, don't get me wrong, but how can you clean this and how can you clean this?